selling this Pantech P2000 on eBay because of the benefits of it being an MP3 player. As you can see that currently it's connected, but it's really simple. If you want to connect it, simply go to your settings on the phone and pick connectivity. Bluetooth, visible, show, and visibility is enabled. And then my devices, in this case it's the Toyota that we're sitting in. Once it's connected, go back, and then you can just simply start playing. And then you can shuffle through the songs pretty easily just by clicking right. Or you can use the seat right on your dashboard or on the device. Either way, you have all the control that you need. It's a really great way to use your cell phone because it's really small, portable, fits anywhere. Let me know if you have any questions.